Well, I hate to say it, but you're breathing all wrong. And no, I'm not trying to make something up. Most people are so stressed and so patterned shallowly that basically they're spending all day just breathing incorrectly. So let's talk about what that looks like, what that means, and start to kind of unravel that a little bit. So your diaphragm, just like every other muscle in the body, thrives on stretching and contracting. But our modern lifestyles have left many people with zero diaphragmatic awareness. Breathing isn't just about getting air in and out. It controls your stress levels, it dictates your posture, your sleep quality, and basic overall function. The problem? Most of us have developed bad habits that keep us in a stressed out, dysfunctional state most of the time. All right, so first things first. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Even if you're a mouth breather, this might feel like work, but that's a good thing. It means you're rewiring your system to be more parasympathetic. This is the most efficient way of breathing, and it's the one that we should be trying to do throughout most of the day. So secondly here, your tongue isn't just for talking or eating. Where it sits in your mouth directly affects how you breathe. Some people have a genetic tongue tie. Others might have what's called a mechanical tongue tie, where their tongue no longer reaches the roof of their mouth comfortably. The most important thing to remember here is jamming your tongue to the roof of your mouth while you're inhaling isn't the answer. You should be able to hold your tongue posture without neck tension, and that's what you'll have to work on. So with that said, if you don't have good tongue posture, or you want to work on improving it, here's what most people miss. Proper tongue posture only works if your deep core is engaged. That means your internal obliques and your transverse abdominis are both active and functioning efficiently. If you're struggling to maintain tongue posture without that feeling of neck tension, chances are you need to improve your core control first. All right, so the big three takeaways are: 1, in the nose, out the mouth. Even if it feels like work, it's not supposed to be, and it will reprogram you to be that way. 2, tongue on the roof of our mouth as we inhale. If you can't do that without engaging your neck super strong, leading into step 3, work on learning how to control those IOs, internal obliques, and TAs, transverse abdominis, better, and you'll be on your way in no time. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I super appreciate it. I just want to take this moment to say like and subscribe if you found this information super viable or super useful for you. We're going to keep expanding this series out more and more. So stick around, and if something is making you feel better, write it down in the comments down below. Let me know what's working for you, what's making your life better, what's making you feel more parasympathetic. All right, guys. Peace.